Grade 11, Chapter 3, Physical Fitness, Wellness and Lifestyle. In this chapter, we have three subheadings: meaning and importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle, components of physical fitness and wellness, components of health-related fitness. Physical fitness. Meaning of physical fitness. Physical fitness and healthy living is a global concern today's life. Physical education has defined physical fitness as the capacity of an individual to perform a given task. Physical fitness can essentially be accomplished with the help of regular exercises. Fitness may be described as a set of attributes that an individual has acquired which help in their ability to perform physical activity. Physical fitness implies that the body systems are capable for carrying on their activities satisfactorily. By Edward Borge. Wellness. Here we have meaning of wellness. Wellness is the capability of an individual by which he or she leads a well-balanced and natural life. It can also be said that wellness is the quality, life, and state of being healthy. The scientific meaning of wellness is that state of being healthy and free from all kinds of diseases. One can experience and enjoy better experiences and pleasure of life with healthy living. Wellness involves a healthy balance of mind, body, and spirit, which results in overall development and good feeling of well-being. It can be defined as the optimal functioning of body and creative adapting to environment that involves the person's whole body. Wellness is the fact or condition of being physically and mentally healthy. Lifestyle. Meaning of lifestyle. The definition of lifestyle is the way a person goes about daily living. A healthy lifestyle reflects an individual's attitudes, way of life, and values. Today's lifestyle also involves eating habits, well-being, physical fitness, and much more. A healthy lifestyle is having the right amount of food and exercise, a way of life which must involve regular exercise where you as a person are in complete state of physical, social, and mental well-being, whilst having the ability to meet the demand of the environment without undue fatigue. Here we have importance of physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Number 1. Physical activities for body. The human body can be categorized similar to a machine. Our bodily functions are quite similar to the way machines operate. Similar to a machine, if it is not continuously operated or kept in a good condition, too, even improper maintenance fosters deteriorations of the physiological systems within the body. Our motor abilities need to be satisfied through physical fitness and even wellness. Our stamina, endurance ability, coordinative abilities need to exercise in order to function better. Number 2. Health and well-being. The sense of healthiness and well-being begins early in life through healthy eating and exercising habits. It is necessary to inculcate a habit of exercising since childhood through sports and fitness programs, whether in school or outside the school. Physical fitness and wellness play a key role in improving the mental capacity of an individual. A physically fit person can manage stress easily, efficiently, and effectively because such a person has positive attitude towards stress. Physical fitness increases the resistance power against diseases, which finally increase the life expectancy. We continue with the importance of physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Number 3, healthy lifestyle. Things that we choose for our healthy lifestyle lead to a well balanced, leading a positive, productive, and healthy lifestyle takes a conscious effort. When changing lifestyle is the desire, taking a systematic approach can make a positive difference. Those who truly enjoy a healthy lifestyle take a number of things into consideration. They pay attention to exercise, emotional well being, and business well being beyond eating a right food. Balanced diet, weight control, improve immune function, and increases energy. Regular exercise, swimming, jogging, gardening, dancing, etc. are good for healthy body. Weight training, to increase the muscle tone and maintaining proper strength is also an important factor of healthy living. Emotional well-being, living a healthy lifestyle also calls for paying keen attention to emotional well-being, like trying to maintain a positive attitude and outlook, making sure to take out the time for personal pursuits, maintaining a healthy home life, focusing on what's truly important in life.